Your story's sad to tell, a teenage ne'er-do-well. Your future's so unclear now. What's left of your career now? Beauty school dropout, no graduation day for you. Beauty school dropout, missed your midterms and function boo. Well, at least you could have taken time to wash and clean your clothes up after spending all that dough to have that doctor fix your nose up. Baby, don't sweat it, you're not cut out to hold a job. Better forget it. Who wants their hair done by a slob? Now your bangs are curled, your lashes well.
To make your salon appointment with Bam Bam, contact the Santa Barbara Bird Sanctuary.